Good morning, everybody. Today's the day of our first real hike. Sophie, how you feeling?
Tired.
So we had a bit of altitude sickness last night, so we're hoping she's kind of acclimatized now. We went up pretty quick, and we're sitting at about 10,000 feet plus. So it's definitely a long way to go. Rather quick, so hopefully all is good. Today we're going to head to Zion National Park, and we're going to be hiking the Narrows. So we've got a little hack up our sleeve to hopefully cut some of the costs of that, and while we're still walking away with something and not just getting stuck with paying $40 for nothing. So I'll show you what we're talking about, and yeah, but first, coffee.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go.
Alright, we're in the car now. Coffee is made, sandwiches made, and bagels been had. We got about an hour and 10 minutes. We're fueled up now, heading over to Zion. Beautiful morning. It is 42 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I'm not sure what that ends up being.
No idea.
But it was pretty cold coming out of the condo, and it's already feeling warmer down here. So I think we'll be in for a treat. We got some water hiking to do today, so it should be a good day. You excited, Sophie?
I am excited. I'm excited to get back into the warmer weather.
Yes. Yeah. Bring on the
And
desert
hiking
heat.
in the sun.
Yeah. Ready for a tan. Please, I'm too pale. Look at this. It's ridiculous.
Me too.
All right. Well, the next time you see us, we'll be at Zion.
See you there.
We wanna go. We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight.
Well, after a debacle of parking, we finally made it to Zion.
Yes. Pro tip, come super early.
Yeah.
Because we got here at about, what time is it? 8:30, 8:45, and there was no parking spaces left in the actual park. So we had to park in the nearby town for $30 US for the whole day.
That's a bugger.
Ouch.
But look at this view. Wow.
I've been walking around, waiting for you to shine. People passing me by. Doesn't feel like I belong. Trying to keep it alive on this hungry side for a better confirmation. Yeah, I'm heading for the station. I can feel love is real. Now you try. If you're willing to just come along with me, we can feel no more lies. A simple dream of you and all my friends by my side told me that I should find some love. I've been walking around, trying to catch you with my eyes. With no one in my heart, but I guess it's a start. An easy conversation.
What are you wearing?
Waiters. from Walmart.
But
We both have had a rip in our seams on our left foot. So it feels like, you know, the bags you get when you get a pet fish. That's what it feels like. It's coming in, but it's not draining out.
we thought we could cheat the system and not pay $40 for waders, which we didn't. We only paid 20, and we still would have got wet with the other waders. So I'd say we're still winning. But look at this view. Yeah. All right, Sophie, how much water you got in yours?
I can't get them off.
All right. Big reveal. Just cut them off. Oh yeah. Good amount.
My legs are definitely getting
Oh yeah. No wonder they're leaking.
nice.
Sophie, how you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty tired, but it was well worth it.
And how was your $20 coffee?
It was pretty good.
It was expensive, but it was
It was
some pretty damn good coffee.
It was much needed after the hike that we did today. It was our first day in Zion National Park. We hiked the Narrows.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it was good. The water's definitely cold,
It's freezing.
and it's difficult in the sense that you have to constantly look down, look where you're putting your feet, because you're just hiking in the riverbed the whole time. So, pro tip, my piece of advice to you is if you're hiking the Narrows, make sure you're stopping every couple steps and looking up.
Yeah, I would say that's pretty sound advice. And maybe bring wellies if you can.
Yeah.
That would be
Yeah.
pretty ideal, I would say. Don't buy the $25 waders and expect them
waders, yeah.
to hold up.
Our waders from Walmart, both
Yeah.
feet ended up like ripping, so we just had soaked feet the entire time. But they did keep the rest of our body pretty dry.
Except me. Like when you got up to like, there was a point that was like waist deep. The way there was fine. Way back, instantly soaked. Instantly, all of me. So
Yeah.
maybe not worth it, but
And it was a pretty busy trail. Like a lot of people coming to the park were going to do that trail. So maybe coming in off season would have been better, just because there was just people around you the entire hike.
yeah, it was pretty busy. We're gonna pack everything up, take some quick photos, and then we're pretty much out of here, I think. Hey, Sophie?
For today, we will
For
be
today.
back.
For today. But yeah, before we hop in the car, let's take one last look at this beautiful view. Look at my white face. What is this? I didn't even get a tan today. This is ridiculous.
I didn't either. It's okay.
Anyway, look at my Canadian skin. This is so bad. It's because of the window, okay? Anyway, don't pay my bald head any attention. We're finishing the day. We're home here, back at Brian's head. Maybe I got, oh yeah, look, a little burnt on the forehead. How'd you do? You didn't get too burnt, did you?
Just my notes a bit.
Yeah, it was a good day. Really good day. Ending the night with some pizza and some non-alcoholic beer. Life is good. Got the boots drying over here. We'll see what happens. And Sophie's smelly socks. Gross. But yeah, we're gonna have a chill night. Enjoy our pizza and beer. Probably watch a movie, and then wake up nice and early. For
Do
what
it
are we
all
gonna
again
do?
tomorrow.
Yeah, what are we gonna do tomorrow?
We're gonna go to Bryce Canyon National Park tomorrow.
Very cool. Very cool. All right, guys. Well, we will see you in the